Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. Today I want to go over with you the Stampin' Up's virtual scrapbook retreat. They have never done anything like this, so it's the first time. It's a 3-day event, which once you purchase the 12-month kit, that's your ticket to get into this event. It'll be held on a private Facebook page, and it'll stream. If you can't watch it live, they will have the videos recorded, and you can do it at your own pace. I'm pretty sure I won't be able to do all 3 days in a row because it's like from 2 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. Mountain Time. Let me put my glasses on so I can read. Wow, now I could see you way more clear. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Lisa Cunningham. I'm an independent demonstrator in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. I'm sorry, I keep touching my desk and my camera is moving all over. So if you want to learn how to make cards, scrapbook pages, or whatever, be sure and look me up and we can connect. So the virtual album retreat is July 16th through 18th, 2025. From 2 o'clock p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Mountain Time. It says, during this event, you'll make a 12-spread album using the month-by-month album retreat 2025 kit. Everyone who purchases kit will get access to an exclusive Facebook group where the live event will be held. To learn all about the month-by-month album retreat kit and the virtual album retreat, you can go on to my Stampin' Up website. So it says a 12-page spread. So it's the 12 months, January through December, but you'll make 2 pages for each month. So this, I will attach this so that you can click on it and check out the pages. And the good thing about this is that they've already cut, prepped, and packaged everything for you. So let me show you my kit. So first of all, you'll get a miscellaneous bag, and it has the picture, like background sheets. It's got various sizes for you, for your pages. It's got some of these flip flaps, so you can put pictures, word, journaling, whatever in them. You're going to get a spool of basic white baker's twine and some neutral matted dots. My nose is itching. And you're going to get 4 stamp sets. Yes, there's 2 in here. So these cases do not come in your kit. I already put mine in cases. But you're going to get 2 sets. One is the alphabet. So see on the thing, they provide these sheets for you, just not the case. But if you order the kit through me, I will send you 2 cases plus an Fermia, I can never say it right, a Fermia kit. These are mine. The ones I send will be based on availability. These are older ones, but I keep mine in these little envelopes. But I will send you this plus the 2 cases if you order your kit through me. So back to the stamps, you get these 2, which are in this case, and these will all coordinate with your pages. And then you'll get these 2 that come in this case, or again, you'll just get the paper. I provide the cases. So you'll get 4 stamp sets. That's a lot. If you figure those out at $20 a piece, that's $80 right there. So yes, this kit is a little pricey, but wait till you see all the stuff you get. So all that is just in bag number 1. That's your miscellaneous bag. And mine are probably all out of order because I've been, yes, they have them. So let me put them in order to show you because I've been through all of mine. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here is, so they have them all numbered. So project number 1, so this will probably be January's. And see how they provide the sheets already. They've already cut all the designer series paper and everything that you'll need. Here's number 2, February. 3, March. 4, April. 5, May. Look at all those pieces. Thank goodness they come. Look how tiny those are, and they come for us. 6, June. I already forgot where I left off. June. A bunch of pieces in there. July, number 7. August, number 8. September. Oh, that feels like this one's heavy. September has got that one, number 9. Number 10 is October, probably fall. 11 is November, my birthday month. And 12 is December. So my idea for these is that my husband and I, we travel a lot. So I'm going to put a scrapbook together for each, well, I'm going to follow these months, but I'm going to put our trips. January is probably a winter theme, although in January we were in Mexico where it was nice and warm. So I'll see how I can adjust that to fit. So that's not all. You get these sentiment, I would call these sentiment stickers. I'm not sure if they're stickers or they're die cuts. I think they're actually stickers. No, they're die cuts. So you get these ones, some just fell out. So there's 2 pages with different ones. And see this banner? I think, wasn't there a stamp? That banner will probably, yep, look, there's the stamp. So again, all the stuff coordinates. You're gonna get sheets of die cuts. Here goes this one. And look at this, on the back side, it tells you where the die cut goes. So project number 8, these are actually all for project number 8, but in case they pop off and get moved around, you'll know what project they go to. You get 2 of these. Project number 10, another for project number 10, and another sheet, and these ones have all the different project numbers on them. So project 1, project 2, project 11, project 8, 5. So they've done all the hard work for you. So whether you're a scrapbooker already or you want to become a scrapbooker, this is the way to go. I started scrapbooking many years ago when my children were little. That's how I first got into paper crafting. And then when they were in school, I started, I held pretty much every position of PTA. So we were always doing crafting events. And I didn't join Stampin' Up! Till 10 years ago. I just made my 10-year anniversary. I love the quality of their products. They're just, you know, everything coordinates, whether you're card making, scrapbooking, or whatever, they coordinate, they do all the thinking for you. And I used to buy my cardstock from other stores, and the quality is not the same. But anyhow, then you get this package of this paper. It's like embossed with the design on it. And I think there's some other, let's see if this is just paper. Yeah, it's all paper, but it's really pretty. It's embossed. You probably can't tell on the camera, but it's got like an embossing on it. And you'll get all of these. There's words. Well, I guess they're the months, January, February, March, April, May. Yeah. So the 12 months, they're die cuts, already die cut for you for your 12 months. And you're going to get 12 sheets sheet protectors to go in an album. So pretty much the only thing that this kit does not include is the album. You might have your own album already. I'm sure I have a bunch of them. Or, you know, you could purchase yours through Stampin' Up as well. So if you have any questions, again, if you purchase this kit through me, and then look at this big old box that it comes in, I guess. It's like a big box, and everything's already sorted out for you. It's a special box just for this kit. And like I said, everything's already sorted out for you. So again, if you purchase the kit through me, I will send you the 2 cases for your stamp sets, and I will send a Fermia pack. I can't say it. That's one of my words I can't say, but I will send you the 2 cases and a pack of die cuts. Let's put it that way, die cuts. Whatever ones, there's a nice one that I like to order with the sentiments, but that is on back order right now. So again, availability. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna post the link so that you could see the pages and the link where you could buy the kit. All right, everybody, you have a great day. Take care. Bye.